First hiring is from Ashapura. Ashapura Groups is hiring AWS Cloud pre-sales with 2 years of experience. Eligibility. Technical proficiency. Recognize and expertise the technical features of Amazon Web Services. This include being familiar with the different AWS services including Lambda, RDS, S3 and EC2. Solution design. Work together with the sales team to develop and present customer focused AWS based solutions. This could entail conducting technical skills and demonstrations, designing solutions, and producing proof of concepts. Customer engagement. Communicate with clients to learn about their technical and commercial demands. Give advice and suggestions on how AWS solutions might help clients overcome obstacles and accomplish their goals. Development of bids. Provide support in creating of technical documentation, RFP answers and bids. Verify that suggested solutions adhere to industry best practices and customer needs. Technical support. Provide clients with pre-sales technical support which includes responding to inquiries, fixing problems and handling worries about AWS solutions. Training and advancement. To teach internal teams and customers about AWS services, products, and best practices, hold workshops and train sessions. Requirements are technical proficiency, comprehensive of cloud computing principles of frameworks, competence with AWS product and services. It usually desirable to have a certification like AWS certified administrator, AWS certified developer, and AWS certified solution architect. Sales skills, capacity to comprehend needs of customer, spot possibilities, and explain the value of AWS product in an engaging way. It is helpful to have a prior pre-sales or customer facing experience. Communication skills, outstanding presenting and communication abilities. Ability to clearly and sufficiently communicate difficult technical ideas to those that are not technically inclined. Teamwork. The capacity to cooperate in a cross functional teams setting has been demonstrated. Expertise working to achieve business objectives in conjunction with technical, sales, and marketing teams. Excellent analytical and problem solving abilities. The capacity to evaluate client requirements and provide solutions that successfully meet their demands. Client focus, an approach that is centered on the needs of the client and is decided to provide outstanding service and establishing enduring bonds with them. Education and experience, bachelor's degree in engineering, computer science, or a similar discipline, prior experience in a related positions, ideally with knowledge of IT infrastructure, cloud computing required. Location Kolkata, Delhi, and Mumbai. Interested candidates can apply from link in description. Second hiring is from Blacklight. Blacklight Studio Works is hiring DevOps engineer with 2 years of experience. Eligibility. Show expertise writing skills in languages like Python, Ruby, or Bash and developing applications. Familiarity with version control platforms like Git. Knowledge of cloud computing platforms like Google Cloud Platform, which includes load balancers, cloud functions, cloud SQL, compute engines, and app engines. Strong knowledge of architecture of clients and servers. It's helpful to know about serverless architecture. Practical knowledge of orchestrations like Kubernetes and containerization technologies like Docker required. Strong familiarity with the ideas and applications of continuous integration and deployment, such as CircleCL, GitLab CL, and Jenkins, must require. Excellent problem solving abilities and the capacity for independent work required. Outstanding teamwork and communication abilities is must should. Location Noida. Interested candidates can apply from link in description. Third hiring is from Global Payments. Global Payments is hiring Associate Senior Site Reliable Engineer with 2 years of experience. Eligibility. A bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology, business management, or a similar discipline. Usually 2 years worth of relevant experience needed. When it comes to chores engineering, you should be able to think creatively about how our system might malfunction in theory, create experiments that show how they function in real world scenarios, and when necessary, create and carry out corrective action plans. Testing the limitations of our systems and then diversing strategies to advance them to the next level performance. Utilize GitOps and DevOps techniques to enhance automation and workflows enabling self service. Preserving dependability, ensuring the high availability, disaster resilience, self monitoring, and self healing of our services. Organize game days to test dependability hypotheses and identify potential problems before they affect customers. Examine designing with the goal of detecting problems, hazards, and enhancing the overall stability of our platform. We are developing systems to proactively monitor our visualized infrastructure, both in production and non production, for security, performance, and health issues. Enhancing our alerting and monitoring systems to ensure that engineers are paged with necessary and not when it is not. Solving network and system problems in a conjunction with our technical operation team. Adapting our SDLC procedures and tools to take best practices and site reliability into the account. Creating manuals and enhancing records required. Location Pune. Interested candidates can apply from link in description. Fourth hiring is from Marshall. Marshall Technologies Inc. is hiring AWS IAC engineer with 1 year of experience. Eligibility: a bachelor's degree in engineering, computer science, or similar discipline comparable experience accepted. Competence with the IAC tools like CloudFormation, Terraform, and Ansible required. Familiarity with cloud architecture and AWS services. Strong attention to details and problem solving abilities. Outstanding teamwork and communication skills must should. IAC tools like Terraform, Ansible, CloudFormation are used in the design, construction, and management of infrastructure. On premises infrastructure and cloud services like AWS, Azure, Google Cloud should be monitored and managed. Work together with the cross functional teams to identify technical specifications and collect needs. Create and implement software systems that are dependable and scalable. Perform code reviews and give engineers directions. Credentials from AWS, such as AWS Certified DevOps Engineer and AWS Certified Solutions Architecture, need to be provided. Knowledge of various cloud platforms, such as Google Cloud and Azure. Familiarity with database administration, like RDS and DynamoDB, required. Location: remote and hybrid. Interested candidates can apply from link in description.